So you're thinking about moving to Gloucester Township or Sicklerville in a townhome or condo? That's exactly what we're going to cover in today's video. We're going to drive you around to a bunch of different neighborhoods that are all townhomes and condos in Gloucester Township so you can see what you get for your money. And we're going to get started right now. Alright, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living in South Jersey, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to be updated every time we send out new information. My name is Matt Curcio with Curcio Partners at Real Broker. We get calls and messages every day from people like you looking to make their move in the South Jersey market, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 5 days or 5 months, give us a call, send us an email, or a text. All of our information is in the description below. So as I mentioned, we're going to jump in my truck, head over to Gloucester Township, and show you a bunch of different neighborhoods so you can see what you get for your money. Let's go. All right, so we're here in Gloucester Township. This neighborhood is called Knoll Run. Built in the 80s, HOA fee floats around the 200s, low 200s. There's one active right now at about 265. Sold anywhere from low to high 200,000. You can see here, these are all townhomes, and we're going to drive you around the corner and show you everything. All right, we're here in Gloucester Township. This neighborhood is called Woodmill Pond. It was built in the 80s. They're all twin units. Square footage is anywhere in the 1600s and 1700s. Recent sales are anywhere from the 180s to the 280s. Obviously, something built that long ago is really going to depend on the interior and what's been updated. So as you can see, good street, and we're going to drive you around, show you a little bit more. All right, we're here in Gloucester Township at the Villas at Broadacres. This neighborhood was built around 2014. The HOA fee is floating around the high 100s, and the square footage can be about 2,100. There's one that's actually active and under contract around 300,000. So nice street, newer properties. So we'll drive you down, show you a little bit more. All right, so we're here in Gloucester Township. This is called Cherrywood. It was built in the early 70s. There is no HOA fee. They're all townhome units. The square footage can range anywhere from the 1,500s to a little bit over 2,000. Actives are anywhere from 2.25 to almost 300,000. Solds are the same, 150-ish, all the way up to almost 300,000. So it's really going to depend on the interior condition as to what they sell for. As you can see, nice streets. We're going to drive you around, show you a little bit more. All right, so we're in Gloucester Township. We are at Huntingdon Mews. This neighborhood was built in the 80s. The HOA fee goes in the around 160 to anywhere almost 200. Square footage can be in the 800s or 900s. So these are condos. There's actually like 4 to each building. Under contract, there's one around 150 and sold anywhere up in the 160s right now. So as you can see, they're all condo buildings, and we'll drive you around and show you a little bit. All right, we're here in Gloucester Township. This neighborhood is called Greenbriar. It was built around 2000. The HOA fee is about $100 a month. Square footage is all floating around 2,100. Recent sales are in the low 300. So they're nice townhome units. You can kind of see behind me here. There's more over there, so we'll kind of drive you around, show you a little bit more. All right, we're here at Hidden Mill Estates in Gloucester Township. This neighborhood was built from anywhere from 03 to about 2008. The HOA is floating around the $150 a month mark. Square footage can be in the 1600s all the way to the 2200s. One active right now, about 315. Under contract and sold are anywhere from the 280s all the way into the 350s. So as you can see, really nice townhome community, and we'll drive you up the street, show you what it looks like. All right, so we're here in Gloucester Township. These are townhomes, and this is called Independence Square. Built from anywhere around 2020, and they're still building right now. So the HOA fee is about $85 a month currently. Square footage can range from the 1400s into the 2200s. Active right now, we have one at 349, and then another one at 385. Sold are in the high 300s. So as you can see, nice community. And we'll drive around and show you what it looks like. All right, so we're here in the Villages at Crosskeys in Gloucester Township. Neighborhood was built anywhere from 2014 to about 2018. The HOA fee is about $100 a month. Square footage can range anywhere from the 1400s into the 2100s. Recent sales are anywhere from the low 300s all the way into the high 300s right now. So, beautiful neighborhood. We're going to drive you around, show you a little bit more. All right, so we're here in Gloucester Township. This neighborhood is called Terrestria. There's a bunch of different courts, a bunch of different style properties. The HOA fee can be anywhere from $100 to almost $200. Square footages are anywhere from about 1,000 all the way to almost 2,000. Primarily built from the 80s into the early 90s, and sales are ranging anywhere from the low 200s into the high 200s. This is just one style, and I'll kind of show you behind me here. And we're going to drive you in and out of a few of the different courts so you can see what you get. All right, so we're here in Gloucester Township. This neighborhood is called Stonebridge Run. It was built around the year 2000. The HOA fee is around $220 a month. Square footage can be anywhere from the 1200s into the 1600s. There's a couple active, anywhere from 225 all the way to 285, and sold are anywhere from the low 200s to the high 200s. So as you can see, nice neighborhood, and we'll drive you around, show you a little bit more. All right, so we're here in Gloucester Township. We are in Valleybrook. The country club is right behind us, and there are 4 different subdivisions of townhomes. So in general, we'll drive you through each one, but they were built in the 90s. Square footage can range anywhere from 1,300 to the 2,500s. The association fee can be all over. Sold are anywhere from the mid 200s into the 400s. So we'll show you. There's one section. Another one over there, so we're going to drive you around, show you each one. All right, so we're here in Gloucester Township. We are in Valleybrook. These are the Players Place condos. HOA fee is floating anywhere from the low 200s to the high 200s. Square footage can be anywhere from the 800s all the way to the 1500s. It was built in the 80s into the early 90s, and there's a couple active anywhere from 199 to about low 200s. Sales are ranging anywhere from the 240s all the way into the 270s right now. So as you can see here, this is just one of the cul-de-sacs, and I'll show you behind me here. So more, and we're going to drive you around and show you a little bit more.